One of the things I love most about working at Mid-Penn Bank is the way we support the community. One of the ways we did that last year was supporting the Harrisburg area YMCA's inaugural Central Pennsylvania 10K. We had a ton of runners, food, games, prizes, and lots of fun. That's just one of the many events we support in the Harrisburg area.
I love supporting local businesses and people in this area and being part of the Harrisburg community. I had a great time representing Mid-Penn Bank at the Big Brother Big Sisters Over the Edge event. I love working in Harrisburg and being part of a team that is involved and supports the local community.